Hey guys, since our trip was cancelled going to France, I thought we'll come out just to chill out. There was a car show going in Uxbridge, so we have come to see them. So let's go and have a look at them. Look at this. Let's see this GMC. Beautiful car. Really? What does it say?
What does it say?
I mean, is it a name of someone or just an art? There's a spider on it, isn't it?
No, that's its nose. Look, eyeballs, nose, big cheesy grin. Stand there and you can see where it is.
Beautiful.
Everyone thinks it's a spider. Really? Nose.
Yeah, I can see a spider. Like, yeah, nose is like. Yeah, I can see the face.
Nostrils.
Yeah.
Give you that
Beautiful.
I put it on this. You didn't have to on the 7 litre, but I do on this. I don't know I have to, I do put it, but I'm not sure on this.
Well, I thought most Yanks. Don't quote me on it.
Careful, darling.
It's alright. Yeah. Smile, you're on my camera. Thank you. Alright. I bought a glowing shirt and my son also bought one, and then I was starving, so I thought I'll have an ice cream. Entry is a little bit expensive, £10 per head, but it's okay. These events don't get held every day, so I don't mind paying £10. Hey, I am back home. It's just time to sleep now, and I thought before I go to sleep I should say good night to all of you. But before we say good night, I thought I'll show you the shirt I have bought from there. They said apparently it will be a glowy shirt, like the eyes should be glowing. Let me just check in the dark if we could see anything.
A few moments later.
We can't see any glowing eyes on it, I couldn't see anything. Apparently he said the eyes here of dragon will glow, and the whole white thingy is gonna glow, and the whole of this dragon's tail is gonna glow. But nothing has happened. I don't know why. So that's it, guys. This is end of my vlog. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to press on thumbs up, share it if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click on the bell so you get my subscription notifications. And I hope to see you soon in my next clip. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye bye.